This is Ramtin Ray Nosrati, and welcome to Serenity in the heart of Beverly Hills. This masterpiece sits on approximately 1.2 acres on 4 levels. Before you enter the property, to my right and left, we have a pond that is cascading over to the lower level, surrounded by just beautiful nature. You are in your own little resort. How amazing is it? The second the door opens, you're looking straight out to this amazing city and ocean view. And you'll just see a lot of woodworking just detailed throughout the whole house. To my left, you have a custom cubby wood divider that separates the foyer from the formal dining room. Now, one thing also about this property, the house comes turnkey. Every single piece of furniture has been custom made to go with the house. All right, the living room. You see this beautiful white oak beams going throughout the ceiling. You got this amazing view outside. And one thing about this room is you're just looking straight out towards that kitchen, looking out to that breakfast nook. It's all one big open floor plan. Now let me show you the wine lounge. First thing you see is this beautiful back wall right here with the custom sconce. Your wine cellar right on that side, and you have the wine lounge outdoor area. This is where we see the water cascading down from the entry pond. This is where you just sit, hang out, relax, have a conversation, grab a glass of wine. You can't beat this. Follow me down to the lower level lounge. First thing you want to say in every single room is wow. High coffered ceiling on this side. We got this tree surrounded by rocks and plants, 13-foot high bookshelf. Behind this door right here is the movie theater. One of my favorite features in the lower level lounge is this custom viola bar right here, just hand chiseled all the way around. It's a showpiece by itself. This secret door right here leads us into the spa. This is your primary right here, sitting area, looking at the fireplace below it, and then straight shot at this amazing view. The bed, it is a beautiful piece to look at, and then the wall paneling, it's got a couple secret doors over here, and this is where the primary bath is. And this is the wow factor on this room. Here we are on the rooftop deck. You got your bar on that side over there, beautiful sitting area with a fire pit. Not only are you looking at this incredible view of Los Angeles, but you can actually see to the main level where the pool is, and below that where the basketball court and putting green is. This is Serenity. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.